welcome to another episode of Paxton and Bodie's Fun Time video. Here we have the Terminator. I am Arnold and I am back. I got my arm back on. I had to go to the doctor and they fixed it. And here we have Stewart, the minion. Here we have Ryan, the police officer. And here we have, I am Lincoln Hawk. I am back. I am the champion. And here, look it. They got me a mighty hot. Oh no, what is all that smoke? I don't like that smoke. Oh my gosh, I gotta get away. What in the world? That is crazy. Oh my gosh, that's too much smoke. Oh my gosh. Look at my arm is broken. What in the world? Well, guess what? We got the #1 firecracker in the world. I don't know about that color, but it's unicorn poop. What in the world? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what this does. Go ahead, light it. Let's see what happens. Oh no, I don't know. I'm #1 in the world, but you know what? I'm not scared of nothing. I am not scared. Oh my god, the fire is burning me. What? Is that Bushi? What in the world? No! Oh my! Oh my God! What in the world was that? What? Oh, that's Bushi! What? Oh my gosh! That no! I'm gonna win! I told you! You're not the best! You're not the best, Hawk! You're gonna go down! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I cannot believe it! Look it! That's what you get! That's what you get! Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna lose. Oh. Well, that's another episode of Paxton and Bodie's Fun Time video. We hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you later.